Have the chimney cleaned. Fold fitted sheets properly. Iron things. Clean the gutters. Clean the garage. Start an IRA/401. Visit your grandparents. Wash behind your ears. Study when there is no exam. Write a living will. Check the air in the car's tires. Vote. Stop drinking. Clean the oven. Stay informed about world events. Wash the outside of the windows. Take vitamins. Clean under the fridge. Check the oil in the car. Volunteer for charities. Remember birthdays. Clean out your email. Get routine car maintenance. Vacuum under the couch/bed. Spend less time on social media and more time with humans. Watch less TV. Clean the fridge/freezer. Sleep exactly 8 hours. Go through your clothes for Goodwill. Tidy up your room. Back up your computer files. Stop smoking. Save money. Dust. Get a dental checkup. Start exercising. Eat better.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.